Okay, guys, real quick, cabin air filter on this Maverick. Okay, gonna come on over here on the passenger side. Open up the glove box. You may end up having, I don't have one, but you may end up having a little strut there that holds this in. If you do, I don't, but if you do, you just pinch this shut and kind of slide that off. I don't have one on this one. I don't know what the rhyme or reason is on who gets one, but some of them do have them. Then you're gonna take these little clips right here and slide this out. You're gonna push this in. I'm trying to do this one-handed here. And then back here, you will see where the cabin air filter lives. It's gonna be two clips. Be one right here. Be very careful. These clips will be very fragile. It's very easy with them. There we go. Then you'll see real quick the airflow right there. So your filter will have that on there as well. We're going to pull this out. Yeah, a little nasty. A little nasty. And we're going to put the new one in right here. Slide that one. Oh. Slide this in. Now the airflow on this one says it's on this side, and you think you're gonna put it in that way, but you actually have to turn it. It's a microguard air filter. Let's see here. Slides in. You just want to edge it in. Real easy. Make sure it sits flush. Make sure you have your airflow same. We're just gonna click this back. Again, be very careful with these clips. They are fragile. And then we're done. There we go.